The Aussie dollar has climbed above 66 US cents for the first time since August, thanks to strong iron ore prices and a weakening greenback. Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. The local currency is on track for its best month yet. Ed.
Best month of the year, that's what the Aussie dollar is on track for. There's two main reasons. Number one, iron ore prices are at their highest level since March. They're at about $133 a tonne. Obviously, that's beneficial for the Australian economy and its dollar. The other thing as well is the US currency is starting to slip. And a reason for that is a lot of economists now believe the US Federal Reserve will be cutting interest rates early next year. So when the cash rate is high, people can make more money with interest rates and with investments. When the cash rate gets lower, you make less margins. So people are taking money out of US dollars and putting it into other currencies, and the Aussie dollar's one. So we've got a live chart we could show you, just showing you today's Aussie dollar movements. And you can see Aussie dollar is above 66 US cents. That's the first time since August. If we go to the next page, though, we can look at what's happened to the dollar over the past month. And you can see it's up about 4.3% over the past month, and it's on track for the best month this year. So good news here for the Aussie dollar. It's still got a long way to go, though, Laura. It's still pretty weak. If you travel overseas at the moment, you're not getting a lot of value for your Aussie dollar if you go to certain countries, that's for sure.
No, you are not. I learned that the hard way. Ed, stay at home, by the way, and holiday here. It's good for the economy, I think. Maybe not good for inflation. I don't know. Let's talk about October retail sales figures. They'll be released this morning. Economists are expecting sales will jump just 0.1% during the month. Is that good news?
Look, I mean, the Reserve Bank, if they looked at the numbers and saw retail sales jumping massively, they'd be worried. They'd say, look, that's going to add to inflation in the economy, and it'd give them some concerns and potentially want them to lift interest rates in December. But look, the expectation is we're going to get a 0.1% rise in retail sales. So roughly $35 billion is the ballpark figure that Aussies spend in retail stores every month for the last sort of 12 months this year. So retail sales has been reasonably flat, but we are obviously expecting the numbers to rise in November due to the Black Friday, Cyber Monday events, and then obviously December as well. But we'll get the numbers in about an hour's time from the ABS, and we'll see if there's much of a stock market reaction when the figures come out.
Okay, I thought the market was meant to open up about 10 points higher. Did that eventuate at 10 o'clock?
It did, actually. It's up a little bit stronger than 10 points in early trade. It looks like the market's up about 0.6%. So we know oil prices have been low, so energy stocks are probably not going to be doing too well today. But look out for the iron ore miners, because iron ore prices are still climbing reasonably strongly. So it could be the big iron ore companies that benefit in the early morning trading.
Okay, looking forward to keeping track of that. Ed, thanks so much.